In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello for content planning and management in a simple, clean system that takes just a couple of minutes to set up but can completely organize your entire content workflow. Whether you create YouTube videos, blog posts, Instagram content, or emails, this setup will help you stay consistent, reduce overwhelm, and always know what to work on next. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple productivity and software tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. Step 1 is to create your board. Open Trello, click on Create, then select Board. Name your board Content Calendar. Keep it simple and clear. Choose a clean background so everything is easy to read and not distracting. This board is going to act as your command center for all your content. Once your board is created, you're ready to build your workflow. Step 2 is to add 6 lists. Think of lists as stages in your production pipeline. From left to right, create these lists: ideas, this week, in progress, review, scheduled, and published. This structure gives you a clear visual flow of your content from concept to completion. The ideas list is where you dump everything. This week contains the content you're focusing on right now. In progress is what you're actively creating. Review is for content that needs approval or final checks. Scheduled is for content that's booked and ready to go live. And published is your archive of completed work. Just by setting up these 6 columns, you've already created a professional content management system. Step 3 is to add a card. Each card represents one piece of content. For example, create a card called 3 Home Buying Tips for 2026. Click into the card and add a description. This is where you can write the goal of the content and define the target audience. Next, set a due date, which should be your publish date. This keeps everything deadline-driven and organized. Then add a checklist inside the card. Create checklist items like outline, draft, edit, design thumbnail, and schedule. Now, every time you open that card, you can clearly see what needs to be done. As you complete tasks, you simply check them off. This keeps your workflow structured and prevents missed steps. Step 4 is to use labels. Labels allow you to categorize content instantly. Create color-coded labels such as blog, Instagram, YouTube, email, and urgent. Now you can visually identify what type of content each card represents. Even better, you can filter your board by label to see only YouTube videos or only Instagram posts. This becomes extremely powerful as your content volume grows. Step 5 is to turn on Calendar View. Click on View and switch to Calendar. Because you've added due dates to your cards, Trello will now display them in a visual calendar layout. This transforms your board from a simple task manager into a full content calendar. You can drag and drop content to reschedule it instantly. Now here's how you use this system weekly. Throughout the week, dump all new ideas into the ideas list. Every Monday, review your ideas and move selected cards into this week. As you start working, drag them into in progress. When they're ready for feedback, move them to review. Once finalized and booked, move them to scheduled. And after they go live, drag them to published. It's a simple flow with zero confusion. And that's it. You now have a clean, professional Trello content planning system that keeps everything organized from idea to publication. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.